How to make your exhaust louder. First, crawl underneath the driver's side of vehicle and locate oxygen sensor. Next, remove oxygen sensor. Then go under passenger side of vehicle and remove the oxygen sensor from the exhaust on that side. Now you're ready for a test drive. The final step is to cruise the beach. Unfortunately, I got stuck behind a Prius, and that made me very unhappy. The Prius doesn't know what's about to come. There we go. That's better. I am going to stop the video here so I can cruise Front Beach Road on this beautiful day.